Hello, friend. Marcel the PK here, coming to you from my home office in Waldorf, Maryland. And if you're checking out this video, you're trying to find out some information about why Eazybot is for you. Now, I'm not going to get into too much detail. This is going to be a quick video, but I just wanted to share a couple of bullet points as to why I like Eazybot. Now, of course, this is the crypto world, and I have to put in a disclaimer. I'm not a financial planner or a financial investor. I I don't represent corporate. This is my opinion. I'm a personal investor in Eazybot, and I love this platform. Here are some bullet points as to why this platform is beneficial to me. As you can see, it's reshaping the future of crypto trading. There's 24/7 stress-free trading. Now, folks, in the trading market, you have so much frustration about the ups and downs of crypto. You have to constantly sit at the computer and watch different trades happening. Suppose you have the stress free and you have a bot that does the work for you. That is powerful, folk. The bot does the trading even in this bear market. There are profits that are being made in this bear market. So if you have the stress free trading working for you, that's a powerful thing. Consistent, profitable returns. Again, in a bear market, you're going to be getting profitable returns. Oh, I went to the wrong place. Let me see if I can get back. Can I get back? Well, now you know anybody can do this. Where was I? I think I was talking about consistent, profitable returns. Profit during up and down market. The bot does the profit for you, and it's auto compounding your earnings. So you can put it in what's called a cycle. You can put it in a cycle. Uh, Breezy. Breezy's part of support. That's another thing too. You have support. This is the only platform that I have seen where support bends over backwards to help you. You have the CEO that you can talk to that created this platform. You have the CEO, Muhammad Ali, who created this platform, and his support staff is there ready to help you. Breezy, some of the other individuals, uh, they are there helping you to get this bot working to the best of your ability. Withdraw your profits at any time and no experience needed. As you can see, I don't have experience trying to figure out how to maneuver this video, but you don't need experience, guys. All you need to do is get started. You can get started for free in this bot. Try the free plan and get started. Click the link below. You can join for free. And of course, contact me. We can get together and we can show you how Eazybot can work for you. No experience needed. Get started with this platform and let's get going. Eazybot is reshaping the future of crypto trading. Take care, friends.